Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we'll be working here on a Chevy Cruze, guys, and if your rear window defroster, guys, also known as rear window defogger, doesn't work, guys, we'll show you which fuse to check. You also have a relay, we'll have a video on that, please check it out. We will, guys, have more than 200 videos. Why? Because our goal, guys, our mission is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, subscribe to the channel, guys, like the video, and please drop a comment below with any recommendations, what you like, what you don't, if the video was helpful or not, so we can, guys, improve and make better videos for you. So this is, guys, a 2015 Chevy Cruze, but it will be the same for the whole generation from 2008 to 2016, so it should work on all of them. So if your rear window, guys, okay, defroster doesn't work, okay, I have all the papers here, but if that rear window defroster doesn't work, stay with us, we'll explain, guys, okay, which fuse it is. So, we need to open the hood first, and then we need to support it. Doesn't matter which engine you have, 1.4, 1.8, the procedure is practically the same, guys. You have a fuse box right here, okay, and I forgot to mention that all the tools and parts, including the fuses, the tester that we'll be using, you can find them listed in the description of the video below. This cover here, we need to remove it by, okay, there is 3 clips here, and you need to press each clip on both ends and pull up. When you do that, it's going to come loose. Now the fuse that we're interested in is fuse number, guys, 28. Okay, 28 is a J case fuse. So let me come a little bit this way, okay, right like that. It's actually a little bit of a hidden fuse, guys, and it's that guy right here. The number is next to it, it says 28. The other 2 numbers are for the fuse next to it. So this is the fuse for the rear window defroster, 40 amp fuse. So we'll be using that fuse puller. There is 1 clip here, push it back, and at the same time pull that thing up. Now when you press on this side, it's going to spread, grab the fuse, hold it on the bottom and start shaking until you pull it out, guys. Okay, and the fuse came out. Now if you're in doubt if the fuse is good or bad, we'll show you guys how you can test it. Most of the times you can see if it's burned, but sometimes it's hard to tell. We use a voltmeter, guys, and this is one really good voltmeter with a true RMS, so it's really good for car diagnostics and quite a few things actually. So now if I have it set at continuity testing, if that fuse is good fuse, okay, it should give us zeros. I'll need to touch both of the elements of the fuse, okay, both of the terminals. So okay, we have this one now. Nothing, guys, nothing. I'll grab another fuse quick. Okay, and I will touch the same terminals now. Check out what's going to happen. This is the good fuse now. What do we get? Zeros. So that's a good fuse, guys. There is communication between the 2 terminals. So what do we guys need to do now? All we have to do at that point, just push the fuse in. Okay, and don't forget to put your fuse puller right here so you don't lose it and you get it for next time. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.